In Lesson 4, you will learn how to make chord progressions sound smoother by playing all the notes in a one-octave range. In Lesson 3, you learned how to play the triads C, F, and G in root position. You may have noticed that the chords jumped around, especially at the end when you went from the G major to the C major. In this video, you're going to learn how to play the same chords in a one-octave range between the notes C and C, an octave above it. Cut a straw so that it is 1 octave long and place it at the top of the keys to mark the range you will be working in. Play the major chords C and F in root position. Notice that the top note of the F chord C could be dropped down an octave so that the notes of the F chord stay closer to the notes of the C chord. When you play the F chord with its C on the bottom rather than the top, we say that the chord is in an inversion rather than in root position. Practice going between the C major chord in root position and the F chord in the inversion.